Before buying a telescope, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Dianfin 9D refractor. The Dianfin 9D refractor telescope caught my eye right away with its impressive 800 focal length and a price tag of $189.99. If you want a telescope that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned stargazers, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9D aperture gathers a lot of light, giving you bright, clear views of celestial objects. With magnification options ranging from 32x to 240x, you can observe the craters on the Moon or the rings of Saturn in detail. Plus, the fully coated lenses enhance contrast and color, making those views even more vivid. It's no surprise that over 776 buyers rated it 4.5 stars. Clearly, it's resonating with users. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it can be a bit cumbersome to carry. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for stability during stargazing, a little weight can actually be beneficial. If you plan on setting it up in one spot, it's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a family looking to explore astronomy together. Skip this one if you need a super portable option since it's a bit heavier. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the weight of the Dianfin bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Toyerby 17 refractor. The Toyerby 17 telescope is priced at a budget-friendly $59.99, making it super appealing for beginners. If you want an affordable entry point into astronomy, this is worth a serious look. This telescope features a 17 aperture, which means brighter images, especially when you're gazing at planets or the Moon. The inclusion of a wireless remote and phone adapter lets you capture your stargazing moments easily, and it's rated 4.2 stars by over 2,400 users, which speaks volumes. However, some users reported that the assembly instructions can be a bit confusing. I'll be real with you, if you're not tech-savvy, you might need some patience to set it up. But once it's up, the experience is typically worth the hassle. This is perfect for kids or families looking to explore the night sky together without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're looking for a telescope that can handle advanced astrophotography. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability and ease of use. Product number 3, MEZAA 9D refractor. Next up, we have the MEZAA telescope, priced at $149.98. It's designed for those who are serious about their stargazing. If you want a professional feel without the professional price, this is worth a serious look. With a 9D aperture and 800 focal length, this telescope captures more light, giving you bright and clear images of distant objects. The fully multi-coated lenses enhance brightness and clarity, which is critical for getting the best views. Plus, it has a solid 4.4-star rating, showing it's well-liked among users. Some reviewers did mention that the tripod could be a bit shaky, particularly at higher magnifications. Here's the thing, for most casual stargazers, this isn't a huge deal. As long as you're aware and set it up on stable ground, you should be fine. This is perfect for adults looking to delve deeper into astronomy without needing to invest in a top-tier model. Skip this one if you're just looking for something for casual use, as it might be overkill. For its features, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more user-friendly, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Toyerby Portable Refractor. The Toyerby Portable Refractor is another budget-friendly option at $51.28. If you're looking for something lightweight and easy to move around, this is worth a serious look. With a 70 aperture and magnifications from 15x to 150x, this telescope brings clarity when viewing celestial objects. It's rated 4.3 stars by over 2,100 buyers, which is pretty impressive. However, some users found the images less sharp at high magnification. I'll be honest, if you're hoping for ultra-detailed views of planets, you might be disappointed. But for casual viewing and introducing kids to astronomy, it still does the job. This is perfect for families and beginners who want to keep things simple and fun. Skip this one if you're looking for a telescope that can deliver professional-grade views. For the price, it's a steal. Finally, let's check out a product that's specifically geared towards kids and beginners. Product number 5, Coulped Kids and Adults Telescope. The Coulped telescope comes in at $56.99 and it's designed with kids in mind. If you're looking for a telescope that sparks curiosity in young astronomers, this is worth a serious look. With a 70mm aperture and 500mm focal length, this telescope provides good views while protecting young eyes. It also has high-quality optics, which means you can get a decent image when exploring the night sky. Plus, it's portable and comes with a carrying bag, perfect for taking it outdoors. It's received a solid 4.3-star rating from users, indicating it's a favorite. One downside is that some users noted it could be a bit flimsy, especially during windy conditions. But honestly, this isn't a telescope for serious astronomers. It's aimed more at kids and casual users, so it's not really a deal-breaker. This is perfect for parents wanting to introduce their kids to the wonders of astronomy. Skip this one if you're an experienced astronomer looking for something advanced. It's a great value for what it offers. So to sum it up, the Dianfin offers solid performance for families, the Toyerby is a fantastic budget option, the MEEZAA is great for serious beginners, the other Toyerby is perfect for light portability, and the Coulped is ideal for kids. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all of them can help you explore the universe in your own way.